continue. Last piece in this section is responding Amein after making one's own Berachah. It's well known that once a person makes a Berachah, she is not permitted to talk before taking a bite of your food. Okay, so we're talking about blessing before the food. If one speaks words not relevant to her eating, and she has not yet taken a bite, she must repeat the Berachah. If one has already taken a bite, but has not yet swallowed any food, she should not talk. But if she does speak, she does not repeat the blessing. Okay, so let's try to understand. So now we're talking about specific scenario when somebody when she makes a blessing, and she going to eat or drink. I mean, eat. I would say eat is a better example, right? Why? I'm going to explain why. So, halachically, when we say eating, it means that you have to swallow something, some like tiny piece of food you must swallow. Like even you have you put in your mouth like I don't know, big piece of bread. I don't know, don't put big, but whatever piece of bread you put, unless you swallow like a few crumbs, right, a little. Even according to some poskim, even saliva with the taste of your food, that's enough, and you can speak. But according to the majority of the poskim, you must like swallow something, right? Otherwise, it's not considered to be eaten, and it's still almost. It's not exactly, but almost like you said before you ate. Okay. Of course, right? But according to some poskim, since the food is already in her mouth, and maybe she already swallowed a little saliva, so we said do not repeat the blessing, because it might be the blessing in vain. And in all of the cases of the doubt, when halakha is of rabbinical origin, we do not repeat. So if it's a rabbinical and it's a doubt, we go leniently. If it's a biblical halakha and it's doubt, we go into stringently and we do repeat. We do repeat or do any other actions. Continue. This applies to saying Amein as well. So I mean, if like we always ask people, just be a little patient, right? So try to give somebody space. For example, you and your friend need to say a blessing. Let's say you're going to drink coffee. Okay, so let's say she goes first. She say and she takes a sip. So let her swallow this little coffee. Do not jump and say your own blessing. You understand? So let her swallow, and she can answer Amein. Don't put another person in questionable situation. Okay, so we finished that topic. Amen.